Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn data type in C# with examples. Data types are one of the most important fundamentals of C# programming. If you don't understand data type clearly, you will struggle in variable, condition, loops, and even advanced topics. So in this video, I will explain data type step by step using simple language and clear code example. Let's start. First of all, what is a data type? A data type specifies what type of data a variable can store. For example, numbers like 10 or 100, decimal like 25.5, character like A, B, C, text like hello, old. C# is strongly typed language, which means every variable must have a data type defined. In C#, data types are broadly classified into three categories: value types, reference types, and pointer types. In this video, we will mainly focus on value type and reference type because they are used in almost every real-world application. Integer data type are used to store whole number without any decimal point. Common integer data type in C# are byte, short, int, and long. Among these, int is the most commonly used. Here, age is store small number and population is store very large number. So if the value range is small, use int. If the value range is very large, use long. Let's see the output. Here you can see the output. Next we have floating point data type. Floating point data type are used to store decimal values. C# provides three main floating point types: float, double, and decimal. Here you can notice the suffix. The F means float and the M means decimal. In real-world application like financial calculation, we usually prefer decimal because it is more precise. Now let's run, and these are the output. The char data type is used to store a single character. Characters are always enclosed in single quote, like here. A char can only store one character. If you want to store multiple characters, you must use a string, not char. Now when I run this, character grade A. The bool data type is used to store true or false value. It is commonly used in decision making and condition. Boolean values are extremely important when working with if, else, or and loop. Now we come to the reference type in C#. The string data type is used to store text or sequence of character. Strings are enclosed in double quotes. Unlike char, string can store multiple characters. And this is the output. Next we have object data type. Object data type is the base type of all data type in C#. This means an object variable can store any type of values. This flexibility is useful, but using object too much can reduce performance and code clarity. Here it displays true because at the end we store true on the value, and it is the base type, not a specific type. Let's quickly understand the difference. Value type stores the actual value directly, where the reference type stores the reference or the address of the value. Because of this, value type behave differently than reference type when passed to the method or assigned to new variable. Let's summarize what we have learned today. What data types are: types of data type in C#, value types with examples, reference type with examples. In the next video, we will learn about literals in C#. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.